cosmology, and culture, hit subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon. And if you're interested in helping keeping this channel alive and going, you can join our growing community at patreon.com/themedicineshell. As a thank you to my patrons have access to an in-house Debia, the digital 13-moon Odinani calendar that our ancestors used, with its 4-day week, 13 moons or months, and different rites and rituals throughout the year, as well as my digital library, which has close to 400 documents, ebooks, articles, journals, and other insights and studies, which I use for my own research. All of this is available at patreon.com/themedicineshell. And for those who are interested in learning how to pray the way our ancestors did, and specifically in the Igbo language, I've published a very short, easy to follow step-by-step booklet on how to perform Igofo. Igofo is important in family protection, spiritual cleansing, serving and receiving justice and success. And I understand that everybody doesn't speak Igbo, so I've included a pronunciation guide as well as translations from English to Igbo for every phrase. This is available at patreon.com/themedicineshell at all tiers. Human beings, the first of these is acknowledgments. In ancestral thoughts, the family and friend circle does not end with the living, but also extends to the unliving. Ancestors and those that are not seen, but are also members of the family or community. The more or unseen elements of a person, both living or dead, stays with the family as long as it is acknowledged. This includes ancestors, deceased friends, and loved ones, and spirits that the community or an individual has acknowledged as being present, or even welcomed into their fold. To establish the presence of Mo, an individual must say its name. This name, like your name, is one of the many paths of manifestation an individual has, and where it is said, their Mo, or the more of the person is present. And this is at the root of why, in many African cosmological systems, using the real and specific names of your ancestors is important when intending one's altar. Ichuaja is done in acknowledgement of the spirit in an individual's life. And for those within Odinani, is a way of including them in meals. So when a chicken is killed before it is cooked, the portion which is fed to Mo, or the members of the family, friend group, that are in Ala Mo, is blood. Blood is given to the unliving and unseen as a means of including them in a meal, while the remainder of the chicken, or whichever animal is being eaten that day, is eaten by the living members of the family. It is important to remember that blood is liquefied life in the ancestral worldview, and blood is chosen to be given to the unliving because you have an abundance of life and they have a lack of it. And if you remember earlier in this video, the order of the universe is things flowing from a place of abundance to a place of lack. Acknowledgement also extends to forces which provide for individuals as a means of saying thanks. Individuals will give to forces that provide for them, such as performing Ichuaja for a river, which provides you with water to drink and sustains your family over generations, by killing the animal at the river, dedicating it to the river, and taking the rest home to cook for the family. You may give sacrifice to the earth in acknowledgement and thanks for sustaining and providing food for you, a place to be, as well as giving you life. Another aspect that is important to remember when interfacing with a specific Abara is to remember that Chineke placed them in specific houses, Eke, Urie, Afo, and Nkwo, and each of these houses is a market itself, as they are called market days. Now, if you understand the Igbo market system, you'll know that these are also the 4 days of the calendar, and that every community hosts a market that has one of these names. And on Eke Day, the Eke market is open while the rest are closed. And on Urie Day, the Urie market is open while the rest are closed, and so forth. And based on the day you were born, one of these days is your day as well. And so many within Odinani will use their specific day as a day of prayer, a day of manifestation, and so forth, because that is when their celestial market is open. If you're interfacing with a specific Abara, be it through sacrifice or manifestation, then you would do it on their day, because that is when their market is open. So Nemiri, for example, would be interfaced with on Urie Day, because that is her day. Anna on Afo, Nechuku on Eke, and so forth. Now I can do a video on the market days and go in depth on the concept, so if you're interested in that, comment below. But because of this, specific sacrifices are done on specific days. Specific rituals and manifestations are done on specific days, or are optimally done on specific days, based on the forces involved. Now all of my patrons get the 4 market days added to their Google Calendar. So you always know which day it is, which day is your day, and which day is optimal for certain manifestations, rituals, and ancestral work. So if you're interested, you can join at patreon.com/the medicine show. It also includes the 13 moons, which is also important. And I also help patrons find out which day is their day and which day is best to do certain things, as I'm always open to answering questions for them. So you can join at the link below, patreon.com/the medicine show. Ichuaja, when done in the name of acknowledgement, is not entirely selfless. As its name implies, Ichuaja means to clear a path, akin to sweeping sand from a walkway or removing roadblocks and debris from a road that leads you to an important destination. This acknowledgement also sweeps the road between you and whatever you're offering the blood to. Earlier, I explained how the marketplace was created as the cornerstone of universal law, and the law of the universe is therefore exchange and trade. I also explained how the universe is a woman, Eke, and how the market, a manifestation of woman, is also feminine and controlled by women in Igbo culture. What I didn't mention was that the roads are also considered feminine, or the footpaths that lead from a home to a market, which traditionally were the roads of a community. These footpaths are manifestations of the principle I spoke about earlier, Ete, the strings or canals which connect all things. The way our blood vessels do the same within the body. These roads provide a route from one force to another, and sweeping it clean is a means of keeping that road open so that the relationship and regular back and forth trade is possible. So Ichuaja is likened to sweeping one's footpath clear so that the blessings from the other side can continue to flow, and the ete, or connection between you and the force you are performing Ichuaja towards, is clear and open. In this context, it is important to remember or to acknowledge that in Igbo culture, there are no sacrifices given to Chukwu, as Chukwu does not exist on the universal level, or the universal plane known as Eke. The laws of Obi Chukwu, the source plane, function entirely differently from the laws of the living world. And the laws of Obi Chukwu do not have a transactionality to them. Now, if you're interested in a video on Obi Chukwu specifically, and there's a lot to be said on the topic, comment below. Ichuaja's acknowledgement is a means of sweeping or cleansing the roads between you and the market by which you trade with the forces of nature. It sustains Ijama, or a good path, with the ancestors, and maintains a clear Owabara, or blood vessel, between you and that which gives you life, such as the earth, the waters, the sky, the sun, your ancestors, and any other natural spirit or force that you acknowledge as being important for a given task or for your general existence. Ichuaja's acknowledgement is a token towards the maintenance of a good relationship between two ends of a given path. It is similar to tipping a barber well to encourage a good haircut and good customer care, or occasionally getting your significant other a gift, or inviting a neighbor over for holiday dinner, as all of these actions clear and improve the path and connection between you and the other person. The second use of Ichuaja